Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am making a Glam Gold Smoky Eye makeup tutorial. So this is the final look. Kung gusto niyo malaman kung paano ko ginawa yan, you have to watch and enjoy, okay? Okay, let's start. So of course, we have to use a primer para kumapit ang ating foundation ng maayos. Okay? So I'm using next. This is my foundation. For foundation, I'm using a L'Oreal. And I'm gonna use punch for this. For this makeup, actually you can wear this when you're going to party, clubbing, or even in a wedding. Right, done with my foundation. Next is going to concealer. I'm using the BLK. Pimples here to cover the top. So this is what I use, the BLK, and it's buttermilk. Alright, and then lip. And I'm also putting it here to hide the pimples. And then I'm going to bake this, and I'm going to use this Benmi luxury powder. This is so nice, guys. I love this product. Kalat na ako dito sa table ko, guys. Just leave that thing for a little while. And then I will go with my eyebrows now. And I'm using Kylie. Okay, next I'm going to remove this baking. And then let's move on contour. So I'm just gonna swipe here. From here, like that, the hairline, blending this. So I'm using this brush, guys. See that? And then of course I forgot my jawline. We need to put a little bit in the line. So face will look like a V shape. Of course, the nose line. Put a little shadow on the nose. And of course, the hairline. To blend it properly para hindi siya halata, diba? Parang shadow lang. You see that? Alright, I'm done with the, what do you call that? Contour. So we'll start sa eyes na, okay? So I'm going to use Jaclyn Hill and Anesthesia. Kasi, guys, ito, look, this is the gold one I'm going to use, and this one also, and then for Jaclyn Hill, lots of golds here actually, gold color. So I'll be using this one and this one. So let's start. I'm gonna start with yung pusa ko, guys. Maingay siya. Lagi siyang nag-iingay. Lagi nag-iiyak. So let's start with this Eden. Glam Gold Smokey I make. Okay. So we're gonna start in this pyramid shape. So I'm using this brush here. See guys, kung gaano siya ka like the gold. Blend it properly. Ayan guys. So perfect. The other side as well. So goldy. Alright, we're done for the gold shade. And then we're going to put a little bit of light gold shade. So I'm gonna use this brush. And then we're gonna put it here. Dito lang sa may inner side kasi black yung ilalagay natin dito kasi nga diba smoky. And of course you have to blend it properly. And then let's move on the black shade. So I will be using this brush. And I'm gonna put it here, just half of it sa outer side. I'm using this black, guys, from Jaclyn Hill. I like the combination of gold and black. Look at this. And then you have to blend it. To blend it properly. So nice. I like this makeup. Sana magandang labas. Again, on the other side. And then blend. Look, kalat to. Don't worry. Tanggalin sa blend. So, blending talaga guys. Kailangan maayos yung pagka-blend nyo kasi kung hindi nyo ayusin ang blend, hindi mo makukuha yung gusto mong, hindi mo ma-achieve yung looks na gusto mo. You have to blend it properly. So, because I'm using the black, I have to repeat the gold one again. The pyramid shade. See guys? And then blend. And then we're gonna use shade here. Dito sa taas. You see that? And then blend. See that? Shimmery. Sa baba naman tayo guys. Using same shade, okay? The gold. So parang continue siya din. Ganyan lang kasimple guys. You see that? And then a little bit black here. Just sa ano lang, half lang ng eyes, not all the way, just half, like that. Okay, and then eyeliner. So I will be using which eyeliner? Okay, for the eyeliner I am using Anastasia black. Alright. See it guys? This is too shiny. Let me move this a little bit. So yes. I'm done. It's done. Oh, mascara. Of course, mascara. I'm not gonna use false eyelashes guys. You just want to be not look like a natural one because it's smoky anyway. And then let's have some powder and still using the milky powder time before anything else. Alright, let's move on to blush on. So for blush on, I will be using Sophie. This is the waterproof blush on guys. You can use this when you're like, if you're going to the beach and you still look like, you know, you're blushing. Use this because it's waterproof. Get the real one, not the fake one. Because if you didn't get the fake one, well, I'm sure it's not waterproof. That's my blush on. let's move on. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes now. Ang dali lang, di ba? You can also use false eyelashes, but I prefer to just have my natural eyelashes. See that? Okay, and then lipstick. So because we are using smoky eye makeup, we're gonna use a light lipstick because I don't like to look like that I'm wearing a very heavy makeup. So I'm using this matte lipstick, this shade. I don't know if there's no name on this one. And then I'm going to apply a little bit lighter, and I'm using this Maybelline matte ink lipstick. So I'm just gonna put a little bit here. Look how light is that. Just like that. Maybe a little more. So yes guys, this is my final look. Of course, setting spray. And I need to brush my eyebrows. So this is it guys. This is my final look. My Glam Gold Smoky Eyes makeup tutorial. See, look at this. Do you like it? Yeah. So this is my final look guys. I hope you enjoy watching this and you learn something a little bit. And then I'll see you again on my next vlog. Ciao.
Bye guys.